Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can greatly impact your financial decisions: how to use an economic calendar. Whether you're an investor, trader, or just someone curious about the global economy, understanding and utilizing an economic calendar can be a valuable tool in your financial arsenal. So let's dive right in. First, what exactly is an economic calendar? Well, an economic calendar is a schedule of upcoming events and data releases that have the potential to influence financial markets. These events include economic indicators, such as GDP reports, employment numbers, inflation rates, central bank meetings, and other crucial data that may affect currency, stocks, and commodities markets. As you can see from this sample economic calendar, each event is categorized by country, event type, and impact level. High-impact events typically have a more significant effect on the markets, while low-impact events have relatively less influence. Now that we know what an economic calendar is, let's talk about why it's essential to use one. By staying informed about upcoming economic events, you can anticipate market movements and make more informed financial decisions. This is especially crucial for traders, as certain events can create significant price volatility and trading opportunities. To begin, choose a trustworthy economic calendar source. You can conveniently use the calendar we offer within the app. Next, use the filtering options to customize your calendar view. You can filter events by country or impact level to focus on what matters most to your investments or trading strategy. Mark the events that are most relevant to you on your personal calendar or trading platform. High-impact events, like interest rate decisions or employment reports, should be a priority. By marking these events, you'll always be aware of when critical data will be released. Take the time to research the events you've marked. Understand what each event means, its historical impact on the markets, and what experts are forecasting. This will help you form educated predictions about potential market reactions. On the day of the event, stay updated with live news feeds or market analysis to monitor how the markets are reacting. Be prepared to adjust your trading strategy or investment decisions if necessary. That concludes our guide on how to use an economic calendar effectively. By staying informed and planning ahead, you can harness the power of economic data to make more informed financial decisions. Remember to use this tool in combination with your overall financial strategy and risk management practices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.